Wanted to do a short video here on my solar panels. This is a voltage read fairly close to the panel, the fuse panel. 13.1 volts. It's a 100-watt Renogy. Recommendation from my son Damien. Here's the solar panels here. There's two panels. They fold up and go inside of a really nice case. And they're fairly hefty, not real heavy, but good quality. They plug into a 2-conductor flat connector receptacle in the front of the camper there. This is a cable I made here that then hooks into standard connectors for solar panel systems. Here's the control. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's in boost or normal mode. I just got done turning the generator off. We were watching satellite TV. So here's what the solar panels are putting out. They're putting out 14 volts, 5.7 amps to the batteries. That's excellent. Batteries are reading about 13.9 volts and again 5.6 to 5.7 amps headed into them. Panel temperature is about 90 degrees, and I don't have a feedback loop, so I don't get a load measurement here. That's something I'll probably add. And then there's the happy face panel that shows the time, date, and the fact that it's charging and everything's happy. Renogy, it's a PWM controller, and it's the VS1024BN. I think the 1024 means it's a 10 amp. But anyways, here's the solar system. We run this during the day to keep the batteries topped off and to run the exhaust fans that we have in the camper. We have 2 exhaust fans that kind of keep the temperature down in there, and they run at about 60%. I don't know what power that is, but the solar panels are more than able to keep up with the power draw from the exhaust fans and provide a charge to the batteries. And then when the sun goes down, we transfer to the generator when we decide we're going to go in and turn on the TV at night or in the morning when we make coffee. It's a standard 1-gallon Honda EU2000i. It's actually an inverter, but it's a kind of a generator. And I've got a hose. I got a special cap I bought online and a hose that goes to a 5-gallon can. The Honda generator pulls a vacuum as it burns fuel. So Honda made this cap, and as it pulls a vacuum, it then draws fuel from an auxiliary gas can, and I've got a 5-gallon can there. I've been running the generator twice a day for probably, oh gosh, 6 hours a day easy, and it looks like I've used about the level's about here, so I've used about half the 5-gallon can, 2.5 gallons, and we've been here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We've been here almost 5 days. So that's pretty good utilization from the generator. Run off a 5-gallon can and not have to be filling the generator. And the satellite system is a standard dish system. There's the satellite dish. Comes over, feeds into that connector. And there's about a 50-inch flat panel TV inside and a Wally dish controller, I guess, of sorts that manages all the channels. So running the dish, the Wally, and the TV, the generator more than keeps up with that load, and also charges the batteries. So got a really good setup here for being out in the wild, if you will. There's no water, sewer, or electricity here. So we've really enjoyed this trip, and I think we've got the camper set up just perfect for dry camping. Thanks partially to the solar panels, the generator with the extended tank, and the satellite system.